Can an island suddenly appear and then vanish as if it never existed? In a voice-blending wonder with technical insight, I invite you on a journey where ancient maritime lore collides with cutting-edge geoscience. Today, we explore two enigmatic islands. Hy Brasil, the fabled land near Ireland whose presence flickers like an elusive mirage, and the ghost island in the Caspian Sea. The story of Hy Brasil begins in medieval cartography, when this legendary island first appeared on maps dating back to the 14th century. For centuries, navigational records and seafarers' logs have chronicled sightings of an island that emerges from the Atlantic mists every 7 years, only to dissolve again into the fog. Ancient mariners, armed with rudimentary celestial instruments and guided by instinct, reported glimpses of verdant shores, mysterious coves, and even peculiar sightings such as black rabbits bounding along unknown paths and troves of hidden treasures scattered along its rugged coastline. While these vivid accounts might evoke images of myth and fable, modern experts have begun re-examining the interplay between atmospheric optics and maritime navigation to explore how refraction might create transient visual illusions. Under certain meteorological conditions, temperature inversions and humidity gradients can distort the horizon, temporarily revealing something that appears solid and real. In Hy Brasil's case, such optical phenomena could explain its legendary yet cyclic manifestation. The recurring nature of Hy Brasil, emerging every 7 years, has spurred detailed analysis among historians and atmospheric scientists alike. Researchers have pored over ancient maps and travel logs, correlating the periodicity of these sightings with known environmental cycles. Some argue that if oceanic currents and coastal fog patterns conspired at just the right intervals, they might produce a phenomenon where distant rocky outcrops are briefly illuminated or rendered visible before retreating into obscurity. Thus, the myth of Hy Brasil is not only a tale of the supernatural, but also an invitation to investigate the limits of human perception when faced with nature's capricious mood. Transitioning from legend to rigorous scientific observation, we now set our sights on the ghost island in the Caspian Sea, a modern anomaly that underscores the dynamic nature of our planet. Unlike Hy Brasil, whose existence has been debated for centuries, the ghost island is grounded in the hard data of geologic events and remote sensing technology. In 2023, an underwater mud volcano off the coast of Azerbaijan unleashed a dramatic display of geological activity. Under immense pressure from subsurface gases and the seismic forces at play within the Earth's crust, sediments from the deep were forced upward, forming a temporary island structure visible in high-resolution NASA satellite imagery. This island, which reached a maximum elevation of approximately 12 meters above the ambient sea level, stands as a clear illustration of how geological forces can rapidly reshape the Earth's surface. Sophisticated computational models have been applied to analyze the energy imparted by the mud volcano's eruption. Data indicates that the event involved a sudden release of sediment and gas, where volumetric displacements of several tens of thousands of cubic meters were calculated within weeks. As scientists dissected these events, they noted that the island's lifespan, spanning roughly a year from its initial emergence in 2023 until its gradual dissipation in 2024, offered a unique, quantifiable case study in ephemeral geomorphology. The scientific scrutiny into the ghost island process highlights a broader theme. The Earth is in a constant state of flux, with dynamic processes that can generate, morph, and erase features at astonishing rates. Seismic studies and geochemical analyses of mud samples taken from the region have supported the hypothesis that the Caspian Sea's floor is geologically active. This suggests that similar occurrences could reappear in the future, a reminder that the interplay between tectonic forces and sediment dynamics remains one of the most powerful agents of change on our planet. What emerges from the juxtaposition of Hy Brasil and the ghost island is a fascinating collage where myth and empirical evidence intermingle. The timeless allure of Hy Brasil, born of sailors, fervent imaginations, and the enchanting interplay of light and mist, challenges modern audiences with its blend of historical narrative and latent natural phenomena. Conversely, the ghost island provides an unambiguous demonstration of the transformative power of geological processes, documented with precise, numerical data and state-of-the-art imaging techniques. Both cases compel us to reconsider the nature of island existence itself, whether as a construct of legend sustained by the human penchant for storytelling, or as a literal, measurable anomaly driven by the Earth's internal energies. Delving deeper into these two cases, we encounter a subtler truth. Even the most transient of natural events can carry profound implications for our understanding of the world. In Hy Brasil's elusive appearances, experts are prompted to refine models of atmospheric refraction and maritime navigation under anomalous conditions, while the Ghost Island invites geophysicists to recalibrate theories about sediment deposition and mud volcanism. In both scenarios, detailed numerical analyses and technological advancements converge to demystify phenomena that, at first glance, inhabit the realm of the fantastical. Between ancient legends and modern science, some islands remain secrets suspended between myth and reality.